Hey, are you allowed to have a camera in here?
Pero esta la tienen que desconectar.
Hey, stop recording me. Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. We're gonna have a great day. What are you doing, Play?
Sir, I am getting the plumbing ready for the autofill installation.
He's getting the plumbing ready for the autofill installation we're gonna go do at that indoor pool at the Holiday Inn. We also have to go pick up my mini excavator, take it to the rental place. They're gonna add the thumb to it. So that's gonna be exciting. Let's get to it. Pulling into Quick Trip. Pump some diesel. It's a horrible day today. Raining, gloomy. Let's pump some diesel. Oh wow. It's not too cold though. It's probably in the I would say 40s or maybe low 50s. But the weather is horrible. I'm gonna go inside, get a little coffee, get some breakfast, start off my day. We're gonna go get this machine. Like I said, take it to the boys at Harco. They're gonna install a thumb and maybe do a service on it. Not sure, but it's a brand new machine. I don't think it needs a service, but they do need to charge it with Freon, I believe. Liquid Death. No, I'm good. Appreciate it. Got a pizza with some Liquid Death. I think BE's done pumping diesel. Should be done. Oh, just heard a pop. $79. I said I was gonna get a coffee, but I didn't. I got a Liquid Death instead. I'm not huge on coffee. I like homemade coffee. Homemade coffee is good with my little K-cups. Pepperoni pizza for breakfast. Ain't that something? They got good pizza most of the time. I mean, for it being gas station pizza, of course. You know, it's nothing like from a mom and pop shop. Those are the best. So I'm gonna grub this down and I'll see you guys where we pick up the machine. Turn around, put the hazards on, load up the machine, maybe go down there and take a look, see how the boys did. Coping should be done except one piece. The boys said that they finished the tiling, so we'll take a look at that. We're just waiting on grout to come back and fill all the seams and joints. And we should be getting the equipment this week, so we'll go back to Pool Builder Supply. We'll actually call them today, place the order, that way we can pick it up during the week. We got to come back, pour a concrete pad to set the equipment on, set the equipment, and we should be pretty close to done after we fill the seams, and we'll just be waiting on Pebble. But we might wait on Pebble to do in the spring or once it's warmer. I mean, they are going to have a heater, but if they're not going to really use it, I recommend to wait till spring. So we'll see. Let's load up this machine. Yeah, thank you. Easy player. You can leave a little bit of slack, 'cause I'm gonna pull forward. Hook it back through, put it back through the hole. Déjale poquito suelto para jalarla para adelante. Ahí está. Ahí está. A ver, échame. Ah, la laqueaste otra vez. Dejé la llave allá adentro.
¿Cómo que la laqué?
Esta, cuando la abriste, la laqueaste otra vez. Pues que le quise cerrar otra vez. He unlocked it and then locked it again, but left the door open, so I closed it. The keys are inside. Great Monday. It's all right though, because we're going to Harco. They got extra keys. Not too worried about it. It's positioned where it needs to be, so. No, yo creo que de allí no, ¿verdad? Porque puede dañar allá. O hay así. Ah, sí, hay así. Oh! I just headbutted the crap out of this. My camera still rolling?
Yeah.
Cool. This weather sucks. Cold, wet. It's not even wild. Hey, yo. All right, brother. Perfect.
Sigue dejando las llaves adentro, yo. De las placas.
Yeah, well, y'all know what that means in the comments. Put it down. Put it down below.
Estamos pintura para marcar el cemento. A este lado. Y allá por acá.
¿Y eso?
Porque el panel está de este lado. I'm gonna move this. It's over here. Because the panel is on this side of the door. Ah, yeah, see? Alright. So this will be the concrete pad for the equipment. How are we looking on pressure? Pretty good, pretty good. Get the boys to pour that. Probably later on in the week. They gotta come back, set that coping. So we'll go ahead and have them set that concrete in place. So we knocked down the tile because it had a big joint right here before. So it was like this, about 1/2 inch, and then on some areas it was 1 inch, and then 1.5 inch. So it wasn't consistent, but now it looks pretty good. The guys did a good job. What do you think, brother? Oh yeah, looks good. So that's probably done. We got some more tile left. Has these hues of yellow because it's natural. Take this out. Remove some of this. Put hydraulic cement in there so it won't leak, because that'll definitely leak and we don't need that. You might have to chip it out a little bit. Make sure you get hydraulic all under it. And before we put grout, we need to open up these seams a little bit. That's what it's looking like so far. Somebody else is doing the pavers and the wall and stuff. A buddy of mine, and we're doing the pull up to the coping. So we got to, like I said, we got to fill in the mortar joints or the grout lines on the tile and the coping. We had a special order of the grout, so that'll come in, they said, within a few days. So I'm hoping to get it done by the end of the week, but if not, early next week we'll be back to finish that up. We do gotta say, like I said, we gotta come back, put the coping here, and hydraulic cement on both sides of that overflow, so that way nothing will leak. They're gonna pour the concrete pad over there, and then that'll be it. And I think, yeah, this overflow drains out over there. I'll ask the homeowner if they want it like that, or we'll work another way. We'll work it out another way. So we'll see you guys at Harco. Let's go. All right, so we're here at Harco. Let's unload this machine. What's up, brother? I brought your machine back.
We don't work on those anymore.
Yeah, I brought your machine back.
We're not a lacquer dealer, man. We can't work on it.
It didn't work no more.
We don't work on that.
What are you working for the AC?
For the AC and the thumb. Yeah, we're finally done.
Winder does our warranty work, so I'll send it over there, and I'll see if they just want to go ahead and knock the thumb out once in the shop.
Where are you
Okay.
from?
Let me know. Where am I from?
No, it's 50 degrees outside. What do you need AC for?
What you mean, bro? So I don't even know if the heater works on it either. I turned it both ways and it took like
They'll
forever.
go over everything.
Okay.
Well, they'll go over the heater or the
Cool.
AC.
Can you get me, since you're going over there, 2 steel blowers?
Yeah, which one do you want?
The BR600s? You say whacker ones?
Hey, so Red Max does right hand
Yeah.
or hip control for throttle, and I was about to ask you.
Oh,
Still,
no, still don't do that. You said what?
You want a parking lot blower?
No.
You got one the size of BR600 over there.
yeah, I'll bring them over to you.
How much are those?
I don't know. I'll just tell them to give me the best price.
BR600 probably gonna be $469.
Yeah, it's gonna be like four or something like that.
Okay.
Be about 5 after tax.
Cool. Doing YouTube, brother.
Look at his head.
See my head?
I
Yeah.
saw, as soon as I saw your boy out there filming, I said, "Oh shit, he's filming."
We didn't ask our permission to film on private property.
You're actually right, because it's not public right now. You can't sue
If
me.
I see my face not blurred out, you get some money.
Yeah,
Oh, nah, brother.
Okay,
I need to take off y'all's.
That's 2 of them.
we're putting another one on. What's the price?
You got him. He always comes in here, throws $2 at Billy, and takes a pair of gloves.
What my $3?
$3. Throw strongest blower.
Yeah, that's what the 9,000 is.
See, this is where you should have came in. You're gonna give them that 6,500 if you buy an ST31.
Yeah. I'll give you one if you buy an ST31.
That's a free blower. Dude.
No, I'm okay. Hey, what happened to my model excavator?
Huh?
Yeah.
You were like, yeah, bro, I got you. I'm ordering one.
Thanks for telling me.
I forgot.
This
You
guy.
want an excavator?
Yeah, he said they're like how much are they? 15 bucks or 35 bucks?
They're like real cheap. I forgot.
A little model one.
I know what he's talking about.
Like these. It's like one like this.
Yeah.
They're like 15 bucks on Whackers merchandise website.
Where you gonna take us to
Randy
lunch?
still gotta go over there and get it. There's reason why you see it in our repairs.
lunch if you want it.
I don't mind sharing. What do you get? What do you bring? As long as it's not like a sandwich.
It's a pot roast.
Oh yeah.
Who made it?
I'm talking to him about right here.
Junior don't know how to cook. You know how to cook? He knows how to burn stuff. Yeah. All right, well, I'll call you, I guess, before I come.
Yeah, please. At least text. Hey, post it on Instagram. I'll see it.
Hola. Hola, ma máquina. Luis,
I'll just go like this.
Luis, answer this.
I'll hang up on you.
All right, is that good where it's at?
Yeah, you just send it right there, right beside
Yeah.
the Kubota?
Huh?
Right beside the Kubota?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we dropped the machine off. You gotta install the thumb. Goes from here to here. That way I can grapple stuff. And they gotta fix the heater and the AC. Probably charge it was free on. So now go to the hotel to do that autofill. Then we'll probably go eat some lunch here at the Holiday Inn. The boy Beam's getting all the stuff we need. Whoa. Dang, cracked. Ugh.
That's the only pipe.
Yeah. Si ves que se va para abajo. Ocupas otro blade, este la va a quebrar. Oye, así. We getting up close and personal, brother. That's my personal space. Can y'all back out of here? Whoa. You get too close, you get kissed. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. No diving. Don't get pushed in. Like Victor. He's the guy that everyone wants to be like. Oh, who's that guy? Oh, that's Victor. We want to be like him. This guy, he's been with us for how many years? 3 or 4? 4 years. Off and on. We broke up one time. Hey, are you allowed to have a camera in here?
Pero esta la tienen que desconectar.
Hey, stop recording me. Hey, James. Man, I want your job. Just be on my phone. He's like, dang it. Kai 4K.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're already at the Culvers. Go ahead, pull up the Culvers.
You're not even, it's not even a chat.
It's on. What's up?
There's no chat.
Yo, go ahead, show them the Culvers, man.
What's up, brother? Look at his face.
Like, what's up? Oh, what's up? What's up?
All right, fellas, we're waiting for our food. Number 17. Got my drink. Arnold Palmer. Lemonade and sweet tea. Marvelous. See when the food gets here. Food showed up. That boy eating. That boy eating. First time. First time Culvers. Check out the bite. Culvers was amazing, as always. The word for how I'm feeling, amazing. Right way. It's on, Bubba. We're good. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna bubble over there. Nos llevamos a nuestra manguera, ¿no?
¿Es de ustedes?
Sí.
¿Ya no estaba aquí esa?
No. I bought this water hose. I'm taking it. So, y'all saw in the other video, this is the autofill. So it has this floater right here. It has this butterfly nut. And basically, right now the pool is where it's supposed to be at. So if the level goes down, this will go down. And it'll open up this valve and it'll fill it up with water. So once it gets up to the level it needs to, it'll pull this floater up and it'll shut off the valve. So I think we got it. We're gonna tighten it up. And that's it, you can hear it. Turns it off right there. So we're good. Alright, put the lid on. Alright. So that's on. I'll get PE to come in here, clean that up. We got everything good. And then, so on the other video you guys saw, I replaced that lid. This one needs to be replaced. But on the other one, we poured the pool deck. So here, they're gonna have to pay for the extra lid because I gotta buy a whole new autofill to just get the lid. So the towel guys were supposed to take care of this lid, but they didn't. But I think with just a good scrubbing, they'll be able to clean this up. So it's just dust. It's not horrible, but it could definitely be replaced. But other than that, that's it for here. We set the handrails. The chair is working properly. The ladder is set in place. The autofill is hooked up and functioning. All we have left here is to give the office ladies our manuals, our as-built plans, And then we just got to wait for the building to get its final CO so we can get our final paycheck. But everything looks really well. Really, really good. So from here we go to Best Buy. So like I said before, you got to go to Home Depot, get another lens for the other GoPro camera.
Best Buy.
Oh, I said Home Depot, huh? We're going to Best Buy, not Home Depot. We actually might go to Home Depot too. So we'll see you guys at Home Buy, at Best Depot, at Best Buy.
A little moonbeam.
A little moonbeams, huh? Doing Christmas shopping. You gotta get some Christmas presents for all my kids. About 20 of them. Get another 12 Hero Black, baby. So we didn't get another GoPro, and we didn't get the lens mod. The reason being because they didn't have the lens mod. So we're gonna order on Amazon because I don't need another GoPro, at least not yet. So we're headed back to the office. We're gonna get some editing done, get some paperwork done. Well, at least I'm gonna be doing that. I'll probably send these guys home. It's late. It's wet. It's cold. You cold right now, Josiah?
No, I'm actually not.
He's lying. Hey, are you cold, bro? No. Damn, he's lying too.
No.
They're both lying, I swear. They're shivering in their timbers.
You don't even have a jacket on.
It's cold.